Hello everyone. At first, a small introduction. I'm talking about software called the TreeShade. This software I have been developing over a decade, 10 years of developing, and you can install totally free from Exchange website, Adobe Exchange. Write exchange.adobe.com and search in Creative Cloud page for TreeShade. After installing on Adobe Bridge and on Adobe InDesign, you will find the menu called TreeShade. TreeShade will ask you to create root folder for your project files, and within workshop folder put your project files and edit them. There are parallel locations for output, like here versions. Every file may have more than one version, and you can edit the file here in workshop. And when you create a new version of the file, like here index, I can create a new version, but under editing no. Now if we go to versions, you will have a version here. Let's create a new one. Create a new version again, put under editing no. Now if we go to versions, you will find two versions here, ver 01 and ver 02, and the red line here to warn you not to modify this location because it's for output. If you rename the file here, it will be renamed in versions location. If you moved a file here, it will be moved also there. Now we will talk about options field. Here in this project, I have a design document called layout, and also I have index.html file. Those two connected to content inside data folder, heading, and one paragraph and one icon. So when the user edits the content and click update, the content will be modified and the PDF will be exported. And when the user opens the HTML file, it will render the updated content dynamically because you have inside the HTML file special tag called TS. This tag burst by the server before sending the final HTML to the end user. So here the server places the text file heading according to dynamic path. You can use regex in the file name or in the path to retrieve the file or a list of files for dynamic behavior. And here you have TS tag for the URL of the image, the icon. And for InDesign document, we use live snippet. Live snippets marked by non-printing anchor text frame automatically created. And here you have menu called live snippet to place the text files and dynamic content here in the InDesign document. Now let's modify the heading to see what will go on. The heading, let's write the new heading. The new heading, and here the new paragraph. Okay, let's change the icon to phone. Now if we click update, sorry for this disturbing. Now let's click update. I upload here different icon and write the new heading, the new paragraph. This online form, it's not supposed to be in the same computer, but here for demonstration, like this form can be reached on a phone or on iPad or any place, while here the server export the PDF and the end user see the new design and the new content to modify. What I want to do now is making options field for the icon. Instead of uploading a new file, the end user can select files from a list of icons. Like here, let's copy a list of icons, copy, and let's put options anywhere inside the project folder. Let's name icons. Now I have a list of icons. Any folder have no bird file, have no text file or any file with the same name will not be revealed in the online form. So this icon will not be revealed here. And I put here just to be used as options. Here the data folder retrieved and previewed here for editing because it has bird text file where they share the same pure name. The pure name of the file is the name without its extension, without any flag, start with TS underscore, and without the display portion or display part at the end of the file name inside the square bracket. So you can add here at the end square bracket and write displaying part to be displayed here as label, but not as part of the file pure file name. Anyway, inside data now, here I have icon. To make it option, I need to add the flag ts underscore opt from option, and I need also to make fabricated connection between this file and one of the options in that folder as original in copying sequence. If you copy a file to a new file, TreeShade automatically create relation between the old file and the new one. And here I can change the relation by choosing this change original. So I selected the icon, failed. Let's return at first. Let's refresh. Okay, now I renamed the file to have ts underscore opt for option. Now if I refresh the online form, now if I refresh the online form, the icon will not be upload field. It will be option, but the options related to original file in copying sequence. So I need to select the file and select change original, then go to our folder icons and select one of them as the default one in copying sequence. I want to select the same icon for consistency, because this phone call and that phone call. Okay, now I have relation. Let's refresh now the online form. See, it's changed to option field, so the end user can select one of these icons instead of uploading them. Let's try to click update. Now Adobe InDesign automatically open and close the document. Here there is a problem. Here missing. Because I changed the icon name without updating for the new file name that has ts underscore opt. So let's relink the file. Save. Do you want to check in? Yes. Now the InDesign document checked in and the PDF exported and revealed in Adobe Bridge. So you can refresh the online form. Now let's try again. So the end user can choose an option, different icon instead of uploading the file. So let's update. Now the server request from Adobe InDesign to open the document, update the content as live snippets and dynamic links, and load the page, the online form. Let's change again to copywriting this. And let's click update again. It's automatically updated and exported and closed. Okay, so if you want to make options, at first you need to make a folder that has all your options. Like here I have icons with the options, and here the options field must have this flag ts_opt, and you need to make a relation between the options field and one of the options files inside the options folder. So from copying sequence, select change original and select the default option that you want. If the user select different option upon submitting the form, the options field will be replaced by that option, and the design will be updated to the new file here. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to feedback or ask any question about installing or using the software. It's totally free. And if you have any solutions, you want help for any project, don't hesitate to drop a message. Thank you and goodbye.